if you grew up writing this, how do other people write this? 2 root 2 over 2. There we go. If you grew up writing it that way, that's perfectly fine. They're equal numbers. That's okay too. So cos of pi by 2 will give us 0. Sine will give us 1. Pi will give us -1. Sine pi will be 0. Okay. Okay. So now we'll plot those finitely many points. Okay, and we'll connect them up with a curve. Okay, and we can imagine that this curve, as it goes along, right, will keep going, and we can sort of infer from what we know about trig, this will go all the way around. So that's how we get the circle as a parametric curve. Okay. Questions there or thoughts there? Yes?
In this question, it's kind of obvious, but in general, how would you know how to connect points? Would it be a straight line?
Right. Yeah, it's very hard to figure out how to connect the dots. I wish there was an algorithm I could give you. But the best thing I can give you is to just draw more points. So, right, yeah, for this one, you're right, it is kind of obvious. But when you look at the stuff on the homework set, it might be, or sorry, the big list. When you look at the big list questions, it might not be obvious. The best tool I can recommend, though, is to plot more points. Okay. Are there other thoughts there? Yes?
Could you choose your key values?
Yes, yeah. So why did we choose them this way for sine and cos? Why those numbers? Yes.
Because you know the values, and it's easier for us to plot the graph.
Yeah. So these are sort of the special values of sine and cos. So we chose them specially in this example. If we were a computer, right, so if we were a computer, what would we do? We would always just pick, some very finely spaced things. If we were a computer, these calculations would be not at all difficult for us, and we would just go very finely spaced and plot a lot of points. So when you're doing big list problems, you want to choose to be somewhere in the middle. Very clever and very computer. Okay. Very good. So I think we've got a sense of how the thing works. I'll now suggest that we switch over to looking at the worksheet for today. The way that I recommend working on the worksheet is to pull up your device or your phone, your laptop, whatever electronic device you have, to access the wiki, and then get some blank paper. Okay? Please don't try and do all the questions in your head. It's very, very hard. So work on blank paper. If you don't have any, I've got some to spare. Okay? I'll come around and circulate and we'll discuss questions. Nice.
Let's go get the headset.